Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put oil in BMW 325i full guide. Park the car, warm the engine briefly, then turn it off and wait 5 to 10 minutes so oil drains to the pan. Locate the oil filler cap and dipstick. Clean around the filler. Use a funnel to add oil slowly and check the dipstick often. Wipe spills and secure the cap when finished. Then recycle the used oil responsibly. Choosing the right oil and tools makes the job smooth and safe, so I'll walk you through what to pick and why. Confirm the viscosity that matches the engine and climate, measure the oil amount needed, and gather a funnel to avoid spills and a rag for quick cleanups. When pouring, add in small increments and check the dipstick frequently so you don't overfill, then tidy the area and test for leaks. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful content. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it's a nice companion to learning practical skills like car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, stick around. Now let's get back to the video. Adding oil is simple when you take it step by step and stay calm, so I'll guide you through each action to keep things tidy and accurate. Remove the filler cap, place a funnel, and pour small amounts while checking the dipstick between additions. Watch the level reach the safe range, replace the cap securely, run the engine briefly to circulate oil, then recheck the level and inspect for any leaks around the drain or filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.